Give us your name and describe yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm number one. I'm Rina De Leon, and I'm taking up nursing. And I would like to meet. I'm also searching for Mr. Right.
Okay.
Number
Next,
two.
please.
Ate. Ate.
Good afternoon, Neil.
Ate.
I am
Dili correct.
one of the candidates to be called as We Perfect Couple, and I am number 2. I'm so tired and sexy waiting for my perfect man.
Number three.
You're number 3.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Jessie, and
Hello.
I'm a graduating student of Malaysia. And it's great that you'll be so happy.
Hi, Dean. I'm taking up nursing, and Hi, Dean. I'm Gina. I'm getting out Bachelor of Science in Tourism. Okay. Alright, girls, we have something to offer. So since guys like girls with brains, we are going to start asking them questions.
Okay, but before that, I am very impressed with the applicant number 2.
I know, she is very competent. Okay, the first one's as I've said, I'm gonna get guys like girls with brains. So if you would be one person per day, like a different person per day, who would you be and why? I repeat, if you are going to be a different person per day, who would you choose to be and why? Candidate number 1. Person for the day, I would like to be
Your ex.
I would like to be
Thor.
Wonder Woman. So it would be my Superman.
Biti ka, uwi.
Oh my god, I like this girl.
I like this girl too. Come on.
You know, Neil, I'm very confident because I
Charlotte.
believe that achievers move towards their goals.
Oh, that's right, very right.
And you know what, Neil? My goal is my goal is to be with you someday. I hope it would be hours later. I would be a girl for the day.
Number 2.
I would be
Saksak mo.
Sino nga yung nasa Marimar?
Chor. Pulguso. Pulguso.
Ako na si Maria Rivera, Neil. Because I believe ikaw si... Oh my gosh! Hindi ka pulguso ha.
Okay, candidate number 3. Who would you be?
Hi, Neil.
Ay,
I would be a different person. I would be the sexiest girl in town.
Char.
I would be your Angelina Jolie, and you will be my Brad Pitt.
Saksak.
Good answer. Candidate number 4.
I would be another person. It would be
Sponsor. Rago.
Number 5. Why? She is quite confident too.
Let's show.
Okay, since the ladies we heard there what they want to be,
The other person.
the other person. So now let's
Move on to the second question.
Okay.
Why should Neil pick you? What's your edge against other women?
What makes you different from the
Yeah,
others?
why should Neil pick you over them? Candidate number 5. Let's start with candidate number 5. Pwede Tagalog. Pwede Tagalog.
Is there any special
Yeah. Ano meron sa'yo na wala sila?
anything like that?
Matanggal ang mustiso.
What?
Matanggal ang mustiso.
Other than braces?
Okay.
Turn back.
Okay.
Nasa na likod, girl.
Okay. Copy that.
In you, to just said, back is sexy.
Back to back.
And then number 4.
Ang naka-explain lang sa akin is I'm so sweet.
So, other girls are asking.
Char.
Char. And then number 3.
Well, I think
I'm 60.
I have. Well, I think I am fun, I am 30, and I'm fabulous, and if you make me, we'll be having fun together.
Okay, 3F, 30, fun, and fabulous. Good answer. Number 2.
Neil.
Oh my God. Because girl is really bad.
Comment na po number 5. Kaya pala maganda kanyang likod kasi idol yung si kapatirang Cuba. What is my edge than the other participants is that I have my killer legs. I am wired, I'm wild, sexy, humble, I'm beautiful, glamorous, I can dance, I can sing,
Okay, wow.
I can go to moon if you want
So, all the
to.
good adjectives. Heading number 1.
Well, hi Neil. Well, I have my edge is I don't have a pair of connections.
Okay, let's move on to the third question.
Okay. What is the sexiest part of your body that Neil touches?
Yeah,
Face.
what do you think?
Face.
It's the sexiest part of your body.
Face.
Maraming meron.
Okay, let's start with number 1.
Oh, my sexiest part of me. Well, I think my smile.
Sorry, Char.
Let's say touch it. Just feeling this. Yeah. He has to feel it.
Yes.
Yeah. Like just.
Yes.
Yeah.
Darling, this is a reality show. Yes.
Okay, that was quite good.
Next,
Player
please.
2.
Number 2.
Let's
Oh my God, I'm afraid. You must be afraid too.
Okay, let's get that.
Dapat ko kayo.
Okay, what is the sexiest part of your body that
My face.
I think it would be my
killer legs.
killer, my killer velvet.
Okay, let's touch it.
Breast, breast. Ang breast.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, something it is melon, huh? Oh my God, you can reach the.
Okay, she has curves.
Let's say
Lots of curves.
Well, hi Neil again. I think every part of me is sexy, so you
Grabe na.
Comment on this number 2. If all her body parts are very sexy, but naging na siya pinaka.
Char.
can catch any more.
okay, so that's number 4.
The very sexiest part of my body is
Oh my God.
My butt.